Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this new video. Guys, today I'm here to explain you about Alfred Hardy reviews, and in this video I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. Guys, in case if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So this is the homepage of this website. This is an online store that deals with multiple products including electronic items as well, like portable electric engraving pen, 145 pieces deluxe artist painting set with French ease, waterproof bike bag, emergency power supply bund, and solar wind chime light, folding table along with 50% off, stainless steel deburring tool, selfie LED ring light, and various other products at affordable prices. So this is the offering information, and apart from that, the people from United States are looking forward to know more about this website. And guys, talking about the payment information, so yes, they have mentioned the payment info in the FAQ section. You can take a look. They have provided the info and they said that they accept all major credit cards including Visa, MasterCard, Discover, Amex and PayPal payments. So this was the payment info. Now talking about the shipping policy, guys, let's take a look at the shipping policy page. For that, you need to click on the shipping policy, and here they have mentioned that the processing time will be 3 to 10 business days and the delivery time will be 3 to 4 weeks. The shipping method is 4PX and freight cost will be free shipping worldwide page. So this was the shipping info, guys. And now before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. Now guys, without wasting time, let's discuss some important points on which we can judge this site as a scam or legit website. So yes, the site is using a valid HTTPS connection, which is a positive sign, no doubt. But when it comes to the domain information, the domain name was created on 5th of February 2021. So guys, this site is a newly launched website and we can't claim this site legit on the basis of its domain age, because this is few days or 1 month old, so we can't claim this site legit. And apart from that, this is registered for 1 year only, hence short expectancy domain can't define its legitimacy. Now coming to the company's detail, you need to visit the about us page. So this is the about us page, but guys, here they have mentioned improper and suspicious about us information including the establishment year. However, it was recently established or created on 5th of February 2021. So this is a contradiction here again, which is a negative sign. And talking about the contact us details, you need to visit the contact us page. So yes, in this page they have mentioned the email address which matches with the domain name, which is a plus point. But guys, they have not provided the info related to official address and contact number, which makes the site quite suspicious. And talking about the social media presence, the site has no social media presence at all. That is again a red high alert. And talking about return policy of this website, let's check out the return policy. So they have mentioned 14 days return policy after the receipt of the product. Guys, do not forget to comment about your experience regarding return or refund of the product, because it will give benefit to other customers while making a wise decision. And talking about Alfred Hardy reviews, guys, we didn't found customer reviews about the site on the internet and on the official website as well, which is again a characteristic of a scam websites. And yes, the trust index score of the site is 2%, which is very bad. It means that the site is not much popular online and comes with low trustworthiness score. However, guys, short expectancy domain again creates a confusion regarding the legitimacy of this particular site. So yes, in the final conclusion, we would say the website appears to be a scam website and we do not recommend you to buy anything from this website as it contains various or numerous loopholes. So guys, if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video because we read all your comments over every video. So guys, hit the like button, share the video with your friends and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.